I'm going to tilt you sideways. Perfect. Stay nice and relaxed. Relax that shoulder back. Lean over. I got you. You're not going to fall. So we're going to do some Graston muscle scraping. You have a lot of like tension here, so I'm going to smooth it out. I'm going to scrape those muscles. And if it has any knots or adhesions, like feel that knot there?
Oh,
yeah. So we're going to break that up. So this will bring in blood, loosen up the muscles. If you had any injuries where it causes like scar tissue, it'll break the scar tissue up. People with like bad posture for long periods of time develop scar tissue. So we like to break all of that up before we do our adjustments. So we get you nice, loose, and relaxed. So when we do an adjustment, it goes nicely and safely, so we don't cause any injuries. This is really good for headaches, neck tension, upper back tension. There you go. Good?
Oh, yeah.
Good. So now we're going to do the right side. We're going to break a... Was the other side bad?
Yeah.
Felt good though, no? Do you feel...
No.
Oh, okay, fine. So I'm going to loosen this up a little bit here. It's like a nice deep tissue massage. I'll break up these little knots here. Great for headaches, neck tension, upper back tightness, helps with range of motion. There you go. You okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to do the QL muscles now. These muscles get really tight for people with scoliosis or people who sit a lot and lean to one side. Once this gets tight, it pulls on your hips, causes your hips to go out of alignment, or just gets tight and causes low back pain. So I'm going to open that up for you. There. I want to balance it out with the other side as well, just to make sure everything's even. This side ended up being tighter. There you go. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. So all you have to do is relax. I'll take care of
Okay.
everything. Start on this left side first. Perfect. Stay nice and relaxed. Boom. You okay?
Yeah,
Did you like
that was
it?
crazy.
That was your first time, right? Okay.
Whoa.
And now we'll do the right side right here. I'm going to tilt you sideways. Very good. How's that one?
Good.
Good? Great. Now I'm going to have you lay on your side facing me this way. Perfect. You're going to bend this top knee. Put your hand right there. Other hand right there. Perfect. Relax that shoulder back. Lean over. I got you. You're not going to fall. Good. Now we're going to do on the same thing on the other side, okay?
Okay.
Try this side. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Very good.
Yeah.
Not too bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
No.
perfect. You can put your hands right down here. There. Take a deep breath in. Let it all out. There you go. Get up, see how you feel.